Hello, hi, good morning. Okay. So I think last class we discussed about internal orders. Maybe I think we completed or not. We'll check that one. These are the things. These are the configurations we did. I think. Let me check in system. Go to IMG level. Go to controlling. Internal orders. Order master data. Define order types KOT2. Okay, VRTF. Yes, VRTF. Trade fair expenses. Right. So this is our order type. Then for that we maintain the number ranges. Then in easy access, I think we created master KO0. This is my order. I think. Okay, this is my order. Control data. I'll go with this one. Settlement profile. Yes, this settlement profile also we maintain. Settlement parameter also we maintain, right? And then after that so we come to reporting information system. There we saw internal order reports. This underscore LR underscore 870129993. So this is my controlling area and all details. Just execute. Right. So this is my internal settlement of internal orders. Right. Fine. Okay. So in the this report we can see in cost center also, because we settled the amount through cost center, right? So that can be possible to view that report. So go to cost center accounting, and again information system, reports for cost center accounting, plan or actual comparison, and here double click on S underscore LR underscore 870136111. This is my details, controlling area, fiscal year from period and to period, and plan version. Just execute. Okay, if you go with facility management cost center, we're having one more line item, internal settlement, because we settle this cost through cost center. That's the reason we can able to see the balances in internal order and as well as cost center. Okay, so this is how we are going to work with internal order. Okay, next we'll come to financial accounting, and next we'll discuss the new GL concept. We'll discuss new GL concept. Okay, if you observe here in IMG screen, we're having two financial accounting, right? One is financial accounting and second one is financial accounting new. So this one we called as financial accounting, we called as financial accounting classic. Okay, we are not going to use word called old. We used to call it as financial accounting classic, and this one is a new. So what is the difference between these two? What is the difference between financial accounting classic and financial accounting new? And why we are going to work with financial accounting new? and what is the difference between these two, we will discuss that one. And as of now we work with financial accounting new, right? So I need to know what is the difference and what is the why it is two financial accounting is there. We will see that one. Okay, so that I am having a document with me. I will check with my document. Check whether it is there. Okay. So this is new GL concept or configurations. So here in new GL, as I told you, we are having two financial accounting, that is classic, we are going to tell classic, and new GL. New. Okay, so first one I'll let you know what is the difference between these two. Okay. So first of all, in financial accounting, whenever we used to post the GL, posting is FB50, there is no account or ledger group is not there, ledger group is not maintained. Okay, so it is whenever we used to post the entries in FB50, that posted in ledger group 0L. This is what we called as leading ledgers. Okay, so leading ledger. So whenever we require some different kind of reporting, like if I want to generate the report in GAAP or IFRS or IAS means International Accounting Standard, right? So whenever I want to generate a report, it is not possible in Financial Accounting Classic. So now in Financial Accounting New, so this we can view we can post the entries in ledger group, or else we can create our own ledger group. Okay, so say example, in FB50, in Financial Accounting Classic, we used to post the entries in FB50, but here we are going to use FB50L. There L stands for ledgers, right? It's a concept of new ledger, or we can create our own ledgers. So usually 0L will be there. It is what we call as leading ledgers. Okay, so here whenever I used to post the entries, it will ask for which ledgers. we need to post. So I'll show that one. Okay, and parallelly we can create our own ledger group. Say, so this one we can use to report in gap, but as well as gap I want to see the report in IFRS. For that purpose I'm going to create another ledger group called, say, V1. So this is what we call as non-leading ledger. Leading ledger means ledger group which created by system or SAP, and non-ledger we can, or user can create for their own purpose. Okay, so this is a created. Whenever I used to post the entries, so system will ask. So in FB50 it will ask. In FB50L it is asked. In FB50 there is no option is there to change the ledger group. Okay. In FB50L, whenever I used to post the entries in FB50L, so I need to give which ledger I am going to post. So either I can post in 0L or I can create my own ledger group. That is what we call as non-leading ledger. So 0L is a standard one, and as well as we can create our own ledger group. Here it is not possible. So that is what we call as parallel accounting. You see, for parallel accounting. This is one major changes. This is one first one, and second one, currency. Here I can use only one currency to maintain transactions. And here, whereas in new GL we can use 3 currencies. Currencies wise we discussed about company code currency, then group currency, right? So all these currency types we discussed at the time of foreign currency transaction. Okay, so this is an advantage of currencies, where we can maintain 3 currencies in our company code. Then another third option and major, document splitting. No document splitting. No document splitting option is there, but here this one, document splitting is there. So what do you mean by the document splitting? Document splitting nothing but while transferring the ledgers from finance to controlling, right? While transferring the ledgers from finance to controlling, we transferred only P&L accounts, right? Only profit and loss account we transferred. Okay, I'll let you know. I'll write it here. We transferred only profit and loss account to controlling module, right? Controlling module. But whenever I used to post the entries in FB70, means that is sales invoice. Whenever I used to post the sales invoice in FB70, the document splitting is not possible. I'll let you know. Say example, I'm going to do the sales, as we are having 2 profit center, right? 2 profit center, like one is desktop. Okay, I'll show that one. Entry I'll show. Okay, here customer account. Say I'm selling the goods to sales revenue account. 3 lakh, and this is for desktop profit center, and again to sales revenue account 2 lakh. Again, this is laptop, right? So this is the profit center. So as we discussed, while posting the entries in FB60 or FB70 or FB50, we need to assign controlling object. Either I need to assign internal orders or profit center or cost center. Any one of these controlling object I need to assign, right? So here, whenever I used to sell the goods to my customer, so this is my total amount of selling, and here I am bifurcating this entry with laptop and desktop, right? So 3 lakh we sold desktop, and the value of 2 lakh we sold laptop. But whenever I used to post entry like this, I am going to post entry like this, but the entry should be, it is correct, but entry is correct, but entry should come like this. Say example, customer account debited, so 3 lakh, sales revenue account, sales revenue account 3 lakh, and here desktop, and here also desktop, and this is one entry, and customer account debit, sales revenue account debit 2 lakh, and this is laptop. The entry should come like this because it is a correct entry, right? This is a correct entry because the 3 lakh is for desktop and 2 lakh for laptop, right? So, but whenever I used to post the entry before document splitting, it is showing like this. When I'm going to activate, whenever I am going to activate the document splitting to my company code, that I'm going to use post entry like this, but system it will take the entry like this after document splitting. So this is a very much advantageous entries, or where we can see the separate entries after document splitting. Okay, so many configurations is required. We'll see in the system. This is the advantage of new GL concept. So before 2005, before 2005, we were working with Financial Accounting Classic. After 2005, we are going to work with new GL concept with a different concept, that's called new GL concept. So these are some advantages. We'll go one by one. First, we'll try to create accounting group, ledger group we are going to create. After that, we'll try to work with currency. Already we work with some currency related transaction, and we'll try to do document splitting, and what are the configurations required, we'll see that one. And after that, we'll try to post the invoice, and I'll show that one. Before document splitting, I'll show how whenever I used to post the sales invoice, how the entry is taken and how entry look like. And after that, I'm going to activate the document splitting, and after that how it look like. So just go with account receivable in easy access, financial accounting, financial accounting, account receivable, document entry, FB70. Double click on FB70. Okay, so I'll take the customer. So this is for reference purpose, I'm going to show how it works. Okay, so I'll take this customer, give invoice date 25/9/2021, 25/9. Amount I'll give 2 lakh, and sales invoice posting. Fine. Then I'll give 3 lakh. Okay, 1,20,000 I'll give for some profit center. We're having desktop, right? Then laptop. Design sales. Okay, save this. So here I am giving 1,20,000 for desktop profit center and 80,000 for laptop. We sold to this customer out of 2 lakh, 1,20,000 is desktop and 80,000 is for laptop, right? Save this. Okay, fine. Now it has been posted. If you go with document and display, we will get entry like this. Okay, here if you observe, we are getting entry like this. The profit center has taken, and along with segment also we can see here, right? Okay, here this is what we called as entry view, and we are having another kind of view called as GL view. Entry means end user enter, how they enter the documents or how they enter the data, that we can see here, like customer account debited to sales revenue account, right? And if you want to see ledger view, click on general ledger view. Here see, we are not getting any customer here, sundry debtors and with sales, because sundry debtors we created in GL and sales revenue also a GL. But if you observe here, but sundry debtors we are not having any profit center, because we transferred only P&L account to profit and loss account to my controlling department, but no, I'm not transferring, or I'm not transported balance sheet to controlling department, right? That's the reason we are not going to see profit center here. We are not going to see profit center here. So what I need to do, I need to add balance sheet also to controlling module, right? So this is how we are not having any document split option, or we not activated document split function to my company code, right? So this, all this function I need to maintain. Fine. So I'll go with this is entry, or this is a view before document splitting. So I'll come to IMG level to configure all these configurations. So first we'll go with ledger group. Okay, so first I'll go with ledger group. For that I'll come to financial accounting, sorry, IMG level, financial accounting new, then financial accounting global setting new, ledgers, ledger, define ledgers for general ledger accounting, define ledgers for general ledger accounting. Okay, we are not having T code for that. Okay, so as we discussed parallel accounting, right? As we discussed parallel accounting, okay. As we discussed parallel accounting, and one more thing I need to let you know, right, regarding tables, parallel accounting, parallel accounting, okay, it is not mentioned. So parallel accounting also we discussed. I think I told you this is parallel accounting, but we're having one more thing discussed regarding parallel. Okay, so parallel accounting I'll put here. So in classic GL, so all the entries, what are the entries we are going to save or post, that will be saved in table BKPF. This is BKPF called the FI document header, right? And we are having one more table called BSEG. It is FI document line item. While viewing the report, while seeing the report, we discussed about GL account line item display, GL account balance display, like that. That is whenever I used to post the entry, that in FB50, that entry will get saved in, or that can be viewed in this tables or saved in these tables. So usually tables means nothing but our database. Tables means where I am going to save my datas. So each configurations and each postings will be saved in tables. We will discuss that one. So whereas in new GL, we can see this table again, PKPF and BSEG, but as well as this is classic GL, sorry. As well as we can see two more tables called FAGL, FLEXT, FAGL, FLEXT, extension, and another table FAGL, financial accounting, general ledger, FLEXA. Okay, so we are having two tables, and what will happen, we can see the balances in this also. Either we can go with this table also, and here also parallelly we can see the balances. So this is the changes in table level. So table will be maintained by ABAP consultant. So as a functional consultant, we are not going to work with tables, or technical we are not going to work with. Okay, any requirement regarding tables, so we are going to consult with ABAP consultant. Now if you want to see the tables, we can go to SC16N T code, SC16N or SC11. We are having two T codes to see the tables. Okay, so I will go with SC16N first. After that we will come to this level. Okay, one more class we will discuss about tables. Okay, what are the important tables we can have in SAP, that we discuss. Okay, so go to SC16N. There's a T code called SC16N. Okay, BKPF. Can give the table BKPF. Accounting document header, right? So here I can input my company code as VRL1. Execute. Click on execute. See what are the documents we posted in this particular company code. We can see here. So this much of document we posted from the beginning till now. These are the document we posted, that we can see here. On the basis of date, on the basis of document wise also we did many documents we posted, right, that we can see here. So these things will be maintained by these tables, will be a standard table. This BKPF is a standard table. Okay, and another tables we'll discuss, BSEG, document, accounting document segment wise. Okay, again here I'll maintain the company code VRL1 and click on execute. I can give the fiscal year also, click on execute. So around 188 entries are there. So this is normal posting we did. Assume that in a company, in a big company, so how much entries may be posted, right? So that can be viewed in this T code, SC16N or SC11. And if I am going to check the entries in different table, that's an usual table. FAGL, FL, EXC. Okay, client is there. Okay, fiscal year 2021. Execute. So we'll get 500 entries like this. Okay, but this is document related to some other, because we not posted anything here, right? So we'll not get here anything. Okay, AXL take AGL FL EXL, another table. Okay, again company code. Here I can mention the company code. Say VRL. I think we are not getting any report here. Okay. Yeah, parallelly, as I told you, parallelly we can see this also. See here, this table also we can see that PKPF. Okay, fine. So this is a T code where we can see the tables. We'll discuss some more tables, and it is very easy to find out the tables. I'll let you know. Reconnect once again.